What does it take to become a billionaire investor? Hard work, skill, and a little bit of luck certainly help. But according to legendary investor Leon Cooperman, there are a few key lessons that transformed him from a humble beginning working as a plumber to amassing a $3 billion fortune on Wall Street. In this video, we'll dive into Cooperman's investment journey, from his early struggles to the wisdom he's gained over a wildly successful 5-decade career. You'll discover the investment strategies, business philosophy, and life principles that enabled Cooperman to beat the odds and join the elite ranks of the mega-rich. But beyond the billions, what makes Cooperman's story so compelling are the hard lessons he learned along the way. By sharing these lessons with the next generation of investors, Cooperman hopes to give you a competitive edge regardless of where you're starting from. So whether you're a beginning investor looking to build wealth or a seasoned pro aiming for the top, Leon's journey has insight that can help guide your own path to prosperity. How does one become a Wall Street billionaire investor from humble beginnings as a plumber? The lessons Leon Cooperman discovered along the way proved to be crucial, as he achieved this feat over the course of a phenomenally successful 5-decade career. In this video, we'll explore Cooperman's investment journey step by step to uncover the strategies, business philosophies, and principles that enabled him to beat the odds. You'll discover the hard lessons Cooperman learned through failures and triumphs that gave him a competitive edge to amass a $3 billion fortune. Whether you're a beginning investor looking to build wealth or a seasoned pro aiming for the top, Leon's journey has timeless insights to guide your own path to prosperity. Long before Leon Cooperman rose to prominence as a hedge fund manager, his investment career started. When he first started working as a plumber, he began investing small amounts from each paycheck into stocks. At just 25 years old, he had already amassed around $10,000 in savings from investing early and consistently. Cooperman stresses the power of compound interest and how investors who start early can accumulate far greater wealth over time compared to those who wait. As he advises, the earlier you start to invest, the easier it is to accumulate meaningful wealth that can generate compound returns for decades. He also believes investors should remain fully invested through all market cycles. Cooperman saw numerous bull and bear markets throughout his career, but steadfastly held on to quality stocks even during major downturns. His conviction paid off enormously over long periods of time. The key takeaway: start investing as early as possible, even if only in small amounts. Stay invested through ups and downs to maximize compound returns over your lifetime. Leon attributes much of his success to the tireless research he conducted on companies before investing. He stresses the need for investors to do their homework by thoroughly analyzing financial statements and understanding a business's competitive environment. He prided himself on holding concentrated portfolios of his best ideas, often built through hundreds of hours of research on each company. He invested for the long term in businesses he understood well, rather than speculating. As he says, if you do the homework and buy the right companies, you can hold them forever. Once Cooperman invested in a company, he was not afraid to hold on to it even if the share price went down. If the investment thesis remained intact, he would often buy more shares at lower prices and wait patiently for the market to recognize the company's true value. The lesson here is clear: pick your stocks carefully after in-depth research. Have the conviction to hold on to quality companies even amid temporary price declines. Your patience will be rewarded. Throughout his decades of managing money, Leon Cooperman has witnessed a number of market fads and cycles of pundits making audacious short-term forecasts. He quickly discovered how to block out distractions and concentrate only on his own independent research. Cooperman cautions investors against reacting to flashy headlines or trying to time the markets based on what experts are saying. Instead, he says, Have the discipline and patience to hold quality investments no matter what talking heads say. For him, investing is not about making snap decisions based on headlines, but rather a long-term pursuit guided by fundamentals. Cooperman suggests turning off financial news channels and avoiding the temptation to make impulsive trades based on whatever is in the news cycle. The lesson is to filter out the short-term noise from so-called experts. Have conviction in your own research and long-term focus. Don't let the media control your investment decisions. In Cooperman's early trading career, he made his share of mistakes, including investing in some major losing stocks. But he didn't let failure destroy him. Instead, he used it as a learning opportunity to improve his investment process going forward. As Cooperman advises, to be successful in investing, you need to develop emotional discipline and learn from your inevitable mistakes. My failures taught me critical lessons that helped me become a better investor over time. He stresses maintaining a long-term mindset rather than getting caught up in the emotions of short-term wins or losses. Even the best investors are wrong sometimes, but by staying disciplined and learning from failures, those mistakes become the stepping stones to future success. This segment teaches to embrace failure in investing as an essential teacher, not the end of the road. Use it as a chance to improve and develop greater emotional discipline. The long game is what matters. A core part of Leon Cooperman's investment philosophy is the belief in creating mutually beneficial relationships and win-win outcomes. He aimed to invest in companies positioned for long-term growth, allowing them to prosper while also providing strong returns. Cooperman treated his investors, companies, and employees fairly, with the belief that all would benefit in the long run. As he says, "I succeed if my investors and the companies I invest in succeed." Adopting a win-win mentality creates the greatest long-term value. This mentality extended to areas beyond investing. In his philanthropy and community involvement, Cooperman looks for ways to create positive outcomes for everyone involved. He understands how businesses relying on zero-sum games and unfair tactics ultimately undermine themselves. The win-win concept is crucial for creating sustainable, long-term success in investing and business. Seek outcomes where all stakeholders benefit when real value is created. Leon Cooperman faced plenty of challenges on his path to success in investing. Early in his career, he was fired from Goldman Sachs before starting his own hedge fund. After decades of success, his firm suffered major losses during the Great Financial Crisis. But he persevered through these tough times and emerged stronger. As Cooperman stresses, perseverance is so important in the face of adversity. If you have passion for investing, you must power through the difficult periods because the long-term rewards are immense. He could have retired extremely wealthy decades before he actually did, but his passion for investing kept him working tirelessly even in his late 70s. Cooperman's love for the process and perseverance through tough times allowed him to sustain success. The lesson here is simple but profound. Perseverance pays off. Stay persistent through challenges and keep fighting if investing is your true passion. The hard work will be worth it. Leon Cooperman considers his integrity to be one of his most important values. Even as his stature on Wall Street grew over the decades, he remained firmly committed to upholding strong ethical standards, both professionally and personally. Cooperman believes the most successful investing careers are built on a foundation of ethics. He aims to generate returns for clients through research and patience, not by cutting corners ethically. As Cooperman says, no amount of profit is worth sacrificing your reputation and integrity. This dedication to ethics has been critical to Leon Cooperman in building loyalty among investors who respect his principles. He understands that doing the right thing and focusing on people matter far more than simply accumulating wealth. In Cooperman's view, following strong ethical standards is an absolute necessity for real success in investing and business. Never compromise your integrity for short-term gain. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. Even as Leon Cooperman built incredible wealth over his career, he made sure to give back meaningfully through philanthropy. He joins a long line of investment greats like Warren Buffett, who have pledged to donate nearly their entire fortunes to charity. Cooperman is especially passionate about supporting education, healthcare, and Jewish causes. But the key is his hands-on approach, which aims to achieve the greatest positive impact from the billions he has donated and pledged. As Cooperman says, "I feel it's so important for those who achieve financial success to give back during their lifetime. I want to help create opportunities for others while making the world a little better where I can." The message is clear. No matter your current means, look for opportunities to give back and help others. Cooperman believes financial success comes with a responsibility to pay it forward. If your investments succeed, ensure society shares in that success too. Leon Cooperman's incredible investment journey teaches us so much about what it takes to achieve long-term success in the markets and in business. While skill and hard work are irreplaceable, it was the life lessons Cooperman learned along the way that enabled him to reach the top. By starting early, staying fully invested, doing exhaustive homework, ignoring short-term noise, learning from failures, fostering win-win relationships, persevering through challenges, upholding ethics, and giving back, Cooperman transformed himself from a humble beginning into a Wall Street legend. But most importantly, he generously shared these timeless lessons so others can follow a similar path, avoiding common pitfalls and benefiting from principles that stand the test of time. Leon Cooperman's journey proves that with the right insights and relentless drive, anyone can achieve prosperity in investing. I hope you found this video about Leon Cooperman's journey insightful. Let me know which lessons you found most valuable in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on investing legends. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at Leon Cooperman's investment journey. I hope these lessons provide guidance and inspiration to help you reach your financial goals. Keep working hard, stay persistent in the face of challenges, and success will come with time. Never forget that with the right mindset, anything is possible. All the best in your own investing journey ahead.